Hello and welcome. If you are new to this channel, I suggest that you click that subscribe button. I post everything coffee, milk tea, and drinks on this channel that you might find useful to make at home or even to start your business. Today is a special video tutorial. I am going to talk about what is trending on the internet from Thailand today, and that is about our newborn pygmy hippopotamus, and her name is Moo Deng. Now, how did this name come about? Moo Deng was born with 2 other siblings and 4 other half-siblings, so there are a total of 6 of them pygmy hippopotamus. But Moo Deng captured the attention of a lot of people because she is special. She is more bouncy, and that when there was a poll for about 20,000 respondents, the name Moo Deng was chosen because it means bouncy pig or bouncy pork. She is simply adorable, and people from all over the world are coming to Thailand to have a look at her. Not just the Thai people, but also from UK, from US, and did you know that one person from the Middle East actually donated 5 million Thai baht for the care of Moo Deng? That's how popular she is. And because of her popularity online, there are a lot of products that are now inspired by her, including Sephora that did their Hippo blush, just like what I'm wearing right now, which is a raspberry pink, if you can see it. And then there are also shirts, trousers, cakes, and now I am going to kind of get some inspiration from this popularity of Moo Deng and make my Moo Deng specials, and I'm going to call them Moo Deng Macchiato. To make this drink really inspired by our baby hippopotamus here, I have to make it 2 colors. One is the body, which is grayish brown, and I'm thinking chocolate, hojicha, and I know many of you would like to have some coffee flavor as well, so I'm going to try and make one. And then, because of that pinkish face of Moo Deng, I need to make something pinkish on top. So I'm going to make pink foam. And I'm going to make this 3 ways. Today is the first part of a series of 3 episodes, and we're going to make this first part chocolate based. On to the ingredients. We are going to use dark chocolate, and I would recommend that you use at least 70% dark chocolate, and it should be unsweetened. I'm going to use my milk syrup, which is a combination of sweetened condensed milk and evaporated milk. And for the pink topping, I'm going to use my homemade raspberry puree. Mix it with light or heavy cream and also fresh milk. Let's make our topping. For the topping, to achieve that reddish pink color, I'm going to mix my milk, cream, and my raspberry puree, and use a milk frother to make sure that you reach that thick, creamy consistency that will float on top of your drink. Now let's assemble the drink. To make this dark chocolate color, I'm going to make this more like a dark chocolate milk rather than milk chocolate. So I'm going to use 1 scoop of my dark chocolate powder, dissolve it in 120 ml of hot water. Make sure that it is completely dissolved and there are no lumps left. And then I'm going to add my milk syrup. That's it really. Make sure everything is well combined. And this is the base for our Moo Deng Macchiato using chocolate as base. Once everything is well combined, you can start to assemble your drinks in your cup. Fill your cup with ice, pour your chocolate mix over, and top it up with your pinkish topping. And this is my Moo Deng special dark chocolate macchiato. That wasn't difficult at all. So just to make sure you achieve that Moo Deng color, which is grayish brown at the bottom and the pinkish top, we made a dark chocolate version. So it's not the milk chocolate, so there's more hot water in chocolate rather than more milk. I am absolutely happy with this one. It should give Moo Deng a special credit. Okay, so now it's time for the moment of truth. This is exactly what I need right now. Delicious. There you go. First drink, or first Moo Deng special, Moo Deng Macchiato using dark chocolate. That's all I would like to share with you today. Stay tuned for the second part of this series, and that will be Moo Deng special Macchiato using hojicha. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.